crime in Kenya is coming too much. Na hakuna mtu ambaye anafurahia mwenzake akipigwa mawe. We must talk to the reality. Hooliganism is something that is going to make this country come down again. Let us not talk and give an opportunity for people to be stoned with their cars. Remember, these people they have done their work and they have bought these cars. When somebody stands at the roadside and tells somebody's car, that is wrong. Mimi kitu ningependa kuhimiza wa Kenya, if you don't like me, just don't come to my campaign trail. If you don't love me, don't come to my end of my meeting, and we'll be okay with you. Jambo la pili, mwenzangu ameongea kuhusu kijana Edwin Watenya Sifuna.
Simba.
Mimi ningependa kusema hivi. Kuna vitu mbili katika siasa. Kuna somebody anaweza make a crowd to move.
Yes.
You can shout a crowd and the crowd shout at you and you move on. But at the end of the day, what will matter is the number of people who will cast in the ballot. Sifuna can be too good in making these rallies. He can be funded by making these rallies. He can run up and down. But at the end of the day, what will make him more important is how many people have voted in Sifuna's basket. Mwenzangu ananiambia hapo ni Mkisii lakini ana support Sifuna. If tukifungua ndani yake tutapata kwamba kika Matiang'i na Sifuna hatapigia Matiang'i, hatapigia Sifuna kura. Let us not kufanya kijana apoteze wakati wake na muda wake ya kusema ya kwamba mtampigia kura na mtampigia kura. Mimi nasema hivi. Sifuna, you have got a chance, but also in that chance you can miss the basket. You can run the whole of this country. Na unataka senator ya Nairobi. Why? If you want the senator of Nairobi, why are you running the whole country? Number mbili ni kwamba if Sifuna is not running for senator in Nairobi, he wants to be the president of this republic, of the deputy president of this republic. Let him tell us early so that we know what we are going to do with him. Not him, why he is keeping himself so secret. If I want to be a president, I want to be a speaker, I'll come out. So at the end of the day, you cannot tell me that you want to be a speaker, you want to be the president, you want to be a deputy president, and you are keeping yourself silent. Let me tell you, at the end of the day, people are being, all these collections are being made because of one individual, William Samoei Ruto. Whether it is done at night or daytime, it is only because of only one person. And whoever you see is a lady, no dogs are coming to your compound. Know that the time for mating for that woman dog is ready. Yes. All these dogs are running all around because of only one girl. One lion. One girl. One witch girl. In the compound. And everybody is seeing William Samoei Ruto. Jambo la mwisho ningependa kuambia, sisi watu wa Ruaraka lazima turudi nyumbani. Sisi watu wa Ruaraka tunamaliza wakati mwingi kupiga siasa na kufuata ukabila. Lazima tuambie mbunge wetu ukweli, na ukweli itamsaidia yeye. Watu ambao wanatembea naye kumdanganya kwamba ground is okay, it is not okay. Mimi nimesema mbunge wa Ruaraka, ukweli ni kwamba the ground is not good for you. Vijana are not with you. Vijana are hungry with you. You are taking this constituency as your personal document. You are moving with this constituency as your personal issues. People are suffering. People are losing jobs in your constituency. Vijana wengi hawana mahali pa kuenda. Uwanja wa Babadogo ulikuwa umeenda. People are serious and they need some development in their constituency. I'm telling you today, take hesitant and meet the people of Ruaraka. Talk to the people of Ruaraka. Leave this issue of delegation. These delegates are coming to you, they need your money. But they are not going to vote you all 100%. I am telling you today, come to Babadogo and listen to Bunge Wananchi Babadogo. Come to Babadogo and listen to the cries of the weak of Baba Dogo. These people are suffering and they need you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.